Hi everyone, in this video we're going to draw a line using HTML Canvas. So as opposed to the last video, I've actually added the script tags here. So we're going to start off by writing cdx.beginPath. So this actually defines a new path for the line. Next we're going to have cdx.moveTo. So this is the starting position of the line. So 0, 0 if we wanted it to start from the top left corner of the canvas. And then next, it'll be where the line finishes or ends. So we're going to have cdx.line2. If we wanted to finish at the bottom right corner of the canvas, then we'll have 300, 300. And to actually draw the line, we're going to have cdx.stroke. And if we run that and test it out, so here we've got the line which starts at the top left corner of the canvas and finishes at the bottom right corner of the canvas.